we've entered the new year, but stories are bano any enye. Assembly si ewo secondi takrade. Baby a your friend Kojo Chrome. Now we will be a what I ATM news. I'll be who say Kojo Chrome. Yeah, stories if you free her at type up. Answer never to us no. Subscribe and click the notification bell. So we get the latest news be about once I ever can. Now some way dear and say nipa kwa wo di sa bone no. Wonye normal sane human being. Just say wonye obi a ebia na adwemu da ho a ohun ne say ebia nipa kwa we di sa nyambran say mi police will be to me achi no e de na kotum for the family to get closure on this matter. The AC ewo Kojo Chrome no and say a branch bia wo commercial driver. Just say wo twi car na ye ka so be a commercial driver either say wo twi taxi and na wo twi truck and na wo twi sa bus CCB. What ya say car nkrofo fa etiaka. And a branch ni din ankasa Samuel Baini. Na the AC and say will be akwache no awo ne sekan ekune yayaya. Na ni bako awo wo sekan no wo yo bi a 77 prediasa na adwemo ekamo. Just say we are mentally deranged. Ye beka se sebe wa bodam sa na ye beka no we si dwom. Aha. Sa na ye beka no. Na nipa kwa what owo abrante sekan omo a wo mo Kojo Chrome ho no wo mo nim ne pa sa bus station na asem esi wo no wo mu nim sa branch ne pa because wo mu a wo mu sa area ne no mu nim a branch yi se bi a branch na wa bodam no a wo be di sa nyam branch sem wo mu nim no. Now this is the story. The elderly brother of Samuel Baini and I say what in same way about betudwa and I yenso yensa aken bia ye keka atremo na za a branch ya yesu so say wa bodam na branch ya wo bia nim say wa bodam no. One thing about him they say Wanambiana nuwokita weapon. Waboda mo nanso wonama ebia ende ubon se wokra kontiba. Ochina nuwokita ebia metal bi dadie. Obi a waboda mo but ubehu a nuwokita weapon. Inti eya na 7 previous obotai Jimmy ewo station ho. Inti one day we be Jimmy wo station ho. Ena Samuel Baini echino. Just Samuel Baini trade say masa waboda ma me no minsi dwomi o ba ma bodam se ho enti bodam fo no 7 previous wo Jimmy because they be a wokita weapon so the hwehwam crofo ena Samuel Baini sa the way me hu bi pen ena Samuel Baini no wo che no me kai in some years ago in Tema community 2 market bi and also na bodam fo bi down but then sa bodam fo no na wo no wokita weapon. But on so si dwom sana no wo ha wo mo ton ade wo market ni mu wo e na tese body ko ha taxi driver bia taxi driver ni si ye afi be hwa bro ni ye bu bodanfo ni si taxi driver no wa chi bodanfo no wo bu ni si afi nkofo kra pato ama bodanfo no na tese nkofo ka se taxi driver ni ka wa bodam se bodanfo no wan so bodanfo ni so it was the same thing which happened. Samuel Baini wan so bodanfo ni so bodanfo ni de ba ni so no Samuel Baini bu bodanfo ni ye. Say ya bu bodanfo yi e hye bodanfo yi trim say abranche yi meba be dinewu enti Samuel Baini ono de assembly twem and a different day altogether, different week altogether, still we station ho bodanfo yi wasanso aba nkofo nim say ebi Samuel Baini abu ni won fa na asem mba ne so biom say bodanfo yi se kan hye ne ho etiefo Samuel Baini jina ni baby ne nkrofo bon komo me ha ne say bodanfo ya twese kan cho hey wa won se kan etiefo e na ye rush Samuel Baini ko hospital ye de ni ko du ho no etiefo fofi anto ata we fu ya ja Samuel mo kan say abrantie bodanfo pa na still wotumi keeping exemption ni 3 musa no Sabi wotumi ehu se abrantie yi wabome pen iti member be retaliate ama next day and next day now another time wakofa sekanya ba abewo Samuel Baini ekune ya na dia ya ewo assembly ni the person is mentally deranged just say wo you be our bodam police for ewo area no mu ho ebedi adanse ye say abranche wabodam womo station ho lorry station ho ebedi adanse say abranche wabodam. In fact, every single person who knows abranche enim say oyobi a wabodam a obi anim no ewo area mu ho. Enti ye de no ekogina court a the witnesses will say wabodam. One thing about Ghana mra say se obi abodam na nipa ko ni die wu a mbra enchi nipa ko na entum. So that is a part of the story because one thing about it and say will be edi obiewu na ye chesa nipa ko ni tumu a at least the family gets some closure. Say baby nipa ko a wo ye mebusu ni say no police for achina kotum. Aha. Yes, the person will not come back. Nipa ko na say be edi na ewu no. The person will not come back to life, mom. But the family gets some bit of closure, knowing that the person who caused that, no, yachina kotu infiase ebia for some number of years. Na nipakwa wodi some obaini ewi oyobi asabe wabodam. Ghana mremu no obodama, you not be held liable to the harm you cause. Inti nipakwa adiewe atonui. The family know that's their pain. Oh, what can they say? But I'm for the same in previous they push your phone out what you want to move. Because yes, if they are in the bush your phone, but and your money and the law will be on their side. It's the same way. Who what can they say? Do they even know but I'm for you said in previous and the bush your phone? I never know what can say. Wo bia ye se wabodam fu no tre se wo munim se wo no de bia wo benam station ho efi mra ade we esi ye no wo ni ho wo abrante ne se kan na no wo dwane ye tre se enkofu di ne chi a wo kwa de da wo ne se kan ya no di hye mu dwane ye wo mu ahwehwe no wo mu hu no so mu ni be bia bodam fu se be predu asawafa etie for abrako sempa a wo hwe Kojo Krom lorry station a wo mu nim sam oban ni wo mu dia say abodan fui nam hade bia no kita weapon ya so ne so afi he na this particular thing no ade bia I will say within the space of 3 months ade bia etai AC. Because we be a dance here. Now say that video be go viral. I think last month or the last 2 months, video be go viral of police phobia na womo epese womo che bodan phobia na bodan for no ekita weapon. Na police for need to you still bodan for no wo chase police for no. E na police for no mum e jane. It tells you. Say Charlie, inyama bi wo ho a Charlie, you have to forget and then let it go. It's family no omo there the best they could do no say one make a report case no ama police for. Inti some obani the family no echo police station ho echo bo police for na manie say ye de ni ho but ensema yati eni em say omo so any bodan for ni ye ema wo mo describe bibia police for na your mother say wo mo so hwehwe bodan for no. I don't know, maybe abodan for the China, you deliver cause psychiatric hospital or something, but that tells you one thing. The way we are as a people in this country, we are not proactive. We are not proactive. Ghana for ye suban ye very reactive, ye proactive. In the sense that people in Kojo Krom lorry station, Kojo Krom na nkasa no, omo a wo moti ho no enim sa abodan for yi. Our moka say bodan for the day bia wo kita weapon. Iti day bia mo hu sa branch kita weapon a. Sebi police for mo ko bo police for amania na. Se mo ko bo police for amania, sebi police for so den no mo ye fa ho. Ya twen ama branch ni die biewu. Wo de sika na wo bie ku na ansa na ye ko bo police for na amania. Ansa na police for no so ebe hwehwa branch say wo mo ko chi no. Na omo de no be ko eye psychiatric a wo mo de na ko. So whilst bodan for the number na won wo obi ase kan na still wo kita weapon no Saa time no yen hu nyansa say ye de ne be psychiatric hospital. It tells you. And in same say you see an for cancer Ghana your politician, it's not only with the politicians, we the citizens can yet. Most of the times we react to things either than proacting to things. You can't be a proactive and not just any bakono ma de ni nsi. Wo bedwe hu no say dabi. But don't free ade bia wonam ha wo kita sekan one day obetumi adie wu. Nti ye ne fa ne nko psychiatric. Eno no wo chi ne kwa. Chance bi amba say ebia wo beba ba wa branch we sekan. Ba de ne si awie na fiansa ya dwen ana ya dwen aba so say e wo say bodam fo ne ye kwachi no. What you are saying? Nti that is a reactive approach. But we need to be proactive in everything we do. It's rather unfortunate say a family will lose. You better say ebia this person can a commercial driver. Se be ebia wo ba ana wo yere oni yere kran na say wo mo a wo mu twika no o mo hwefie. What you say? Aha, wo pesika ba e de hwefie. Nti obi betumi aka say wo ye obi breadwinner. There's one also e de bi befie e ma ne yeye. Wo bi de hye ya wona se kan ye kono ya. It's a baby akana if you want to wash and collab school if onimba and woni yere by all means say bia ni nua ketu ebi anane wafa seketu ebi otua bibi ba wotua isi ano they will lose all those things. Montreal madwen e wo comment box number 4 me da say